Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. In order to continue, you need to install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!